Initially, the flax seeds undergo cleaning to remove any impurities or debris. This step is crucial as it ensures the purity of the final product. After cleaning, the seeds are crushed into smaller pieces to increase the surface area for oil extraction. The crushing process breaks the outer shell of the seeds. Once crushed, the flaxseed particles are fed into a screw press, which applies mechanical pressure to extract the oil. The screw press consists of a rotating screw inside a cylindrical chamber. As the screw turns, it compresses the material, forcing the oil out through small openings while retaining the solid residue. After pressing, the crude oil is filtered to remove any remaining solids and impurities. Filtration can involve several stages, including centrifugation and fine mesh streaming, ensuring the oil is clear and free from particulates. In some cases, the oil may also undergo refining processes to improve its stability and shelf life. Understanding the principles behind these processes highlights the importance of selecting appropriate machinery and maintaining optimal conditions throughout production. By adhering to these methods, manufacturers can produce high-quality flaxseed oil rich in omega-3 fatty acids and other essential nutrients.